Are you looking for the best MacBook for students? You are at the right place. In this video, I will show you 5 amazing Apple MacBook devices that are best for students. So stick to the video till the end and let me know in the comment section which device did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Mac Mini M2, a great value desktop Mac. This is not a laptop but a desktop replacement. This is an amazing, powerful device that can serve your needs. Powered by Apple M2 or M2 Pro, comes with an integrated 14 to 32 core GPU, 16 GB RAM. It's the cheapest Apple machine that comes with a powerful specs and it's compact and portable. Links are provided in the description. MacBook Pro 14, the best smaller MacBook for students on creative courses. Buy this amazing laptop for it matches the performance of a larger laptop from Apple, and it's more portable and easy to carry around, and it's a fantastic machine that comes with a compact build. So if you require a powerful MacBook to run creative software but also value portability, then the MacBook Pro 14 may be the best student MacBook for you. It's lighter and more compact than the 16-inch device but provides almost all the same specs, with only battery life being slightly lower than the bigger one. MacBook Pro 16 powered by M3. Buy this amazing laptop for its solid and reliable build quality, superb excellent performance and great battery life. So if you need to use the power-hungry software like After Effects, Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, you might find it worth investing in the more powerful MacBook Pro line. And there is no laptop more powerful or capable than the MacBook Pro M3. MacBook Air M1, the cheapest MacBook on the market and the most recommended one. Buy this amazing laptop from Apple, often available at a very reduced price. Still offers fast performance, silent fanless running and amazing battery life. This older M1 MacBook Air has only recently been discontinued and still available at some third-party retailers for excellent prices. It's not as powerful or bright as the M2 model above, but if you are only looking for a laptop for word processing, browsing and little media editing, then this is really likely to be all you need. MacBook Air M2, a great value balance of power, portability and price. This amazing laptop is equally powerful as the MacBook Pro, powered by M2 processor, comes in a light and compact design and also has got a 1080p webcam. So our topic for a student is the MacBook Air powered by M2. This laptop has recently been superseded by the new M3 model for 2024, and the Apple dropped the price of this 2022 model as a result. So we recommend you go for this powerful machine that will serve all your needs. So these are all the 5 amazing Apple devices that you can use for computing. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.